Good evening, everyone. Hayaan niyo po kami magpakilala sa inyo. We are YGIG, which means You Go, I Go. And nag-debut po kami noong November 2022 under SB Town by Tatang Robin po. Yes, please give us lots of love and support po.
Yeah, and if you want to learn more about us, you can check us out on our official social media accounts at YGIG_official. Once again, it's YGIG_official po. Please love us and give us a lot of love and support po. Let's go!
So the song we just performed was actually our latest single release, which is entitled Universe. So stream nyo naman dyan sa Spotify.
Stream nyo
Gusto
naman.
nyo lang naman. Yes, pero it focuses around our individuality. At dito po gusto po namin i-convey na everyone is unique in their own way. All of your qualities, whether it's your strength, your weakness, sa'yo lang po yun. At sana, alagaan niyo po sarili niyo, mahalin niyo ang sarili niyo. Di ba, YGIG?
Yes!
Tama! Oo.
Love yourself.
At, moving on na tayo, di ba Quave ang title ng event na to? Siyempre, naghanda kami ng isang cover. Yes, anong cover yon, Ate Lynn? Yes, of course. It is a K-pop cover. Oh, cover, hindi dance cover. Yes. Yes, and since Quave Music Festival, actually, ini-encourage namin yung dalawang culture, like the Philippines and the Korea Exchange Culture Festival. Kaya yan, we prepared a K-pop cover, which is Pretty Seven!